Okay, something else OxyProps adds to your builder is a set of custom elements. So I can navigate to the bottom and I will find the BricsProps section with available elements. We can add a light dark toggle. Here it is. This one will not be functional inside the builder. This one is only for your front end. If you want to switch modes inside of your builder, you will use this one. And you can see maybe that this one reacts. When I switch to light, it turns to the sun. Switching to moon, it turns to the moon. It's responsive to the color scheme, but it's not functional. I cannot click on this one inside of the builder to toggle them. Okay, there are other specific elements. There's not a lot of them because my target is not to offer a very wide library of elements, but when they are relevant, I create some. For example, I recently created this unlimited icon element and I named it the unlimited icon because you can use any icons from the more than 100 icon sets offered by the Iconify framework. So if you don't know about Iconify, you can just click on the link here. You will have explanations, but the principle is that I just have to type the name of an icon set, for example, MDI for the material icon set, and I get an error because MDI is not enough. I add a colon. Maybe I will enlarge so you can see it. MDI colon, and for example, I want the user icon, and this time I get my icon. If I want a menu icon, MDI colon menu, and I get my menu icon. If I want another icon set, for example, I want Iconoir, and I don't know, maybe let's try YouTube. Maybe this one exists, and I get the YouTube icon from Iconoir. And if you wonder how to get the icon names, don't worry, you don't have to guess every time. You just click on this link and you will be taken to the icon.js site that lists all the available icons with a search engine. Okay, enough for this element. That's not the purpose, but this was to tell you that you get custom elements available. And of course, these custom elements can use the OxyProps context menus.